Aorta stems from the heart. The first branch is the celiac, and then up until this branching point right here, it is the gastric, which you don't need to know, but it's a reference point. This right here follows underneath here to this, which is the hepatic. That. This, which exploded, is the gastroduodenal. Okay. Going back over here. Right. These are the splenic arteries. Let's see. This is the superior mesenteric artery. Hang on. Follow it. Right. Okay. This is the. Oh gosh, blank.
That's the hepatic.
No. Well, the hepatic borderline was supposed to be here, but it blew up. But it extends all the way to the superior mesenteric vein, which is the yellow. Okay, wait. This red mass right here, it runs in here, but you can't really see it in ours, is the anterior pancreatico-duodenal arteries, and veins will be in there too, but you can't really see them, so that's where they would be. There's a branch right, hang on.
I thought of everything, except those arteries and veins in the bottom.
This branch right here, you can't really see it very well. Can you see on the camera?
The artery?
Yeah, the branch. That's the posterior pancreatico-duodenal artery, which loops up into here, which you can't really see. Well, you can see that.
Yeah, you can see that.
But yeah. Yeah, so this continues to be the superior mesenteric artery, but it goes all the way down here, and you can't really see it as well, but this is the inferior mesenteric artery and vein.
Okay.
Let's see, what else is there? Intestinal. These in here are the intestinal arteries and veins. The veins are yellow, the arteries are pink.
Cool.
Okay. This branch right here is the gastrosplenic vein. It's not dyed, right? But it branches off of the hepatic portal, which goes under here. Yeah. Superior mesenteric vein, I did. Gastrosplenic. Wayne, I just did. Here, I think that's everything for this area.
Okay, so are we moving south?
Yes.
To Caudally?
Yes. Okay, these are the renal veins.
The blue ones?
Yes.
Of course.
And these are the renal arteries.
Which do not look very pink on the camera, but...
Yeah, they're here.
Okay.
Let's see, let's show that. The internal spermatic arteries are these haired things, and the internal spermatic vein, the left one, is it left? That's right.
That's right.
That's right. Well, the right one's here, and then this, what used to be a vein, should have been, that's the remnants of it. That's the one on the other side.
The left?
Yeah, they're in different positions.
Okay. That's really strange. But
yeah, that's how they are.
It's the way it is.
And then you do the iliolumbar on the last one.
We did that video and it didn't turn out very well, so let's continue.
Iliolumbar arteries, and then iliolumbar veins. I'm sure you can see them on this one on the other side. You probably can't. But it should be over here.
The iliolumbar
arteries and veins. These are the arteries, this is the vein. I can't see the other one, but it should be paired.
It should be coming out.
Like about here-ish.
Okay.
So it's covered up.
Okay.
I think it's it.
Is that everything?
Well, and then Whitney did this part.
Yeah, let's do that part again.
Okay.
Just to be sure.
Okay, these are the common iliac arteries and then veins. The caudal artery is in the pink thing in here. It goes straight to the tail.
Okay.
Get the light. The caudal vein is right next to it, and it shoots off more that direction.
Okay.
Instead, can't see it. The internal iliac branches off and goes in here. I don't know if you can see this.
Kind of.
It's right here.
Okay, now I can see it. You moved your thumb.
Yeah. And then this part right here is the external iliac vein and artery.
And that turns into the femoral, right?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, that's the femoral.
And is that all we needed to know in that section?
Yes, ma'am.
So, the June is the middle part.
These are the ones I know because that's the first day.
Yeah.
I was like,